If your vehicle is equipped with adaptive cruise control, you're going to like this feature. Remember though, cruise control is designed for use in continuous flowing highway traffic, and when engaged, can take over accelerator operation at speeds over 0 miles per hour or 0 kilometers per hour. The control is conveniently located right on the steering wheel for easy one-touch operation. To activate your cruise control, push the On-Off button. The cruise indicator light in the instrument panel and other displays will let you know that the system is on. To turn the system off, push the On-Off button a second time. It's best to leave the system turned off when not in use. To set a desired speed, with the system on, accelerate to the speed you want to maintain. Then, simply push and release either the Set Plus or Set Minus button. Take your foot off the accelerator, and the vehicle will operate at the speed you have selected. If the system is set when the vehicle speed is above 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, the set speed will be the current speed of the vehicle. If the system is set when the vehicle speed is below 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, the set speed will default to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour. You can deactivate the system by using a soft tap on the brake pedal, pushing the cancel button, or using normal brake pressure while slowing the vehicle. These actions will not erase your set speed memory. So, to resume your previously selected speed, push the Res or Resume button and release. When the ACC system is on, if the Set Plus button is pushed and held, the set speed will continue to increase in 5 mile per hour or 10 kilometer per hour increments until the button is released. Simply tapping the Set Plus button will result in a 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour increase in speed for each tap based on the customer's preferred settings in the instrument cluster. Tap 3 times, and your speed will increase by 3 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. The increase in set speed is reflected in the instrument cluster. With just a touch, this convenient feature allows you to increase your cruise control speed without ever having to take your hands off the wheel. To decrease speed while the ACC system is on, push and hold the Set Minus button. The set speed will continue to decrease in 5 mile per hour or 10 kilometer per hour increments until the button is released. Tapping the Set Minus button once will result in a 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour speed decrease for each tap based on the customer's preferred settings in the instrument cluster. The decrease in set speed is reflected in the instrument cluster. Now, here's what really sets adaptive cruise control apart. Adaptive cruise control allows you to maintain a preset distance between your vehicle and a vehicle in front of you without having to constantly reset your speed. With the system on, use the distance buttons on the steering wheel to select a longer, medium, or shorter distance you'd like to keep between you and the vehicle in front of you. Each push on one of the controls will lengthen or shorten the distance. If there is no vehicle ahead, the vehicle will maintain the set speed. If a slower moving vehicle is detected in the same lane, the instrument cluster displays the Sensed Vehicle Indicator icon, and the system adjusts vehicle speed automatically to maintain the distance setting regardless of the set speed. The vehicle will then maintain the set distance until the vehicle ahead accelerates to a speed above the set speed, the vehicle ahead moves out of your lane or view of the sensor, the distance setting is changed, or the vehicle ahead comes to a complete stop. Here's a quick note though. If the ACC with stop system does bring your vehicle to a standstill while following a vehicle in front, and that vehicle starts moving again within 2 seconds, your vehicle will resume motion without the need for any driver action. If the vehicle in front does not start moving within 2 seconds of your vehicle coming to a standstill, the ACC with stop system will cancel, and driver intervention will be required at this moment. Remember, the maximum braking applied by ACC is limited. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by controlling the vehicle via braking and steering if necessary. Please refer to the instruction manuals on the Owner's Information DVD or dodge.com/en/owners/manuals for complete details and other important safety information.